Hello, I'm William James, and this is Mars. It's 225 million kilometers, or 140 million miles from Earth most of the time. Mars is only slightly smaller than Earth, and roughly half the size. Over the years, people have wondered about life on Mars because the valleys and basins on the planet that are believed to have been shaped by water. Where there's water, life can be assumed. Mars has extreme to moderate temperatures and near unpredictable, deadly weather. However, scientists say that if there was once life on Mars, there very well could still be life under the surface of the planet. Recently, an ice deposit has been discovered on Mars, and it spans a greater area than the state of New Mexico. Scientists say that it's possible for some areas under the surface of the ice on the planet to at least have primitive life, if not complex life. Today, many people are talking about visiting Mars and inhabiting the planet. Recently, CEO of Tesla Motors and founder of the SpaceX program, Elon Musk, presented his plans on the 27th of September to get people to Mars and perhaps colonize the planet. We have sent rovers to Mars before, as far back as July 20th, 1976, was when the NASA Viking 1 spacecraft became the first spacecraft to successfully land on Mars and complete its mission. However, of course, man has not stepped foot on Mars. Some people will say that that could change as soon as 2033. Here's an interview talking to a Southside science teacher about what he thinks about this.
What do I think about people visiting Mars? I think that sounds like a great idea. It's pretty fascinating to learn that the Martian atmosphere is relatively similar to early Earth's atmosphere, and that it's 98% carbon with 2% nitrogen. Therefore, the ingredients for plants to live are there. It doesn't have a presence of oxygen yet, but with a few billion years of photosynthesis, it could be there. So I thought that was pretty interesting to learn. I also found it kind of remarkable, rather, that the day is only 40 to 45 minutes dissimilar from ours, or longer than ours. So it would be a really easy transition once you finally got there. I thought, all of his speech it makes it seem like Mars is a really logical, easy transition, or at least making an easy jump, making humans an interplanetary species.